how to export Amazon reviews to Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify right here. And then once you are now on the Shopify, the next thing that we need to do is to click the online store. And then once you do that, just click customize right there. And then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the app embeds. So just click that. And then on this part, just click Shopify App Store. Then after that, you will be redirected into another website. So in this website, the next thing that we need to do on the search bar is to search for AliExpress. And then once you search for AliExpress, let's look for this Ali reviews. So click that. Make sure that you use this app right here. And then after that, just click install. After that, let's wait for it to finish. Now, while it is installing, Shopify actually has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months for your shop. So if you want to avail that right now, all you have to do is to go on the description box or the pinned comment and then click the link right there. And then after that, you will be redirected into this website. Now going back into the video, once you have installed your app, just click install right here. And then once it has been installed, just click sign up for free. Or if you want to choose the premium version, you can also do that. But I will just sign up for free right here. And then once you're now here, just click manage reviews. And then once you're now here, you will now be able to see all of the products that you have in your store. So in this case, I have this, let's say for example, white t-shirt. Now let's click import reviews right here. Now after that, you can just go and click the Amazon import. And then on this part, just look for your products on your Amazon. And then of course, just copy their link and then paste it right here. And then after that, let's enable this one. And then let's also have this enabled. And then for number of reviews, it's up to you. And then after that, just click import. And then once you click import right there, all you have to do is to go on the online store again, which is right here. Once you are now here, just scroll down in this part and then just choose the product. So let's say for example, for the white t-shirt. And once you are now here, what we're going to do in this part is to on the template, just click add section and then click apps and then click the Ali reviews product widget. And then once you click that, you should now be able to see the customer's review from your Amazon. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to import Amazon reviews to Shopify.